Good day everyone. My name is Elmar B. Cadoldolan and we will discuss criteria in damage stability. So, our topic is criteria in damage stability. Damage stability is the ability of a ship to remain afloat and stable even after damage or flooding. So, pasawat paana, ito ay kakayahan ng barko na manatiling ligtas kahit may damage. Stable gyapon siya bisan adunay baha or damage. So, ship must meet damage stability requirements to improve safety at sea. The ship should survive flooding in one or more compartments without sinking. So, one important criterion is watertight subdivision. The ship is divided into watertight compartments using bulkheads. Kung naay damage, dili dayon mokalat ang tubig sa tibuok barko kay bali tungod sa compartments ug masudlan kay tubig adto ra sa usa ka compartment masudlan tubig di mo lukop sa tibuok barko kay bali compartment man siya tungod sa compartment watertight compartments using bulkheads mo to siya. So another criterion is residual stability. Even after flooding, the ship must still have enough stability and buoyancy. So dapat kaya pa rin itong lumutang at hindi sobra ang pagtagilid. So di kuno pasobrahan og pagtakilid. So the ship must also maintain a safe angle of heel after damage. Positive stability and proper buoyancy are important to avoid capsizing. SOLAS also requires calculation and testing to check if the ship can survive flooding condition. Bali, testingan po na nila o barko makasurvive ba kuan aron sa paglutaw kay aron safe po kuan di og magkakuan ma-safe ang mga crew di kayo madisgrasya mo nang kuan testingon nila. Damage stability calculation help officers know if the vessel is safe. Ito siya. For example, if one compartment floods after collision, the watertight bulkheads help stop the spread of water. Mo to siya mo tabang kay bali na compartment og mosudlag tubig maatngan sa kuan sa sa bulkheads, watertight bulkheads kay ag tubig di kadretso sa tibuok barko kay naman na siya compartments. Because of this the ship can still float and give time for rescue or repairs. Kay tungod didto nga di man makalap napaslay oras nga ma-repair ang guba sa nasudlag tubig. Kay di stable pa man gyapon barko bisan pag masudlan kay di man makakalat ang tubig sa tibuok barko. Napaslay oras para ma-repair ma-rescue. So, damage stability criteria under SOLAS help maintain ship safety by controlling flooding, maintaining stability, and preventing sinking. Importante gyud ni para maprotektahan ang crew ug mga passengers, cargo, and the vessel itself. Mo to siya ka importante. Mo po na ka kuan ang importante siya aron safe ang tanan. Di kayo makuan ang barko. So, mora to akong ma-discuss. Mora po to akong na ka-istorya o nasabtan. And that's all. Thank you.